Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get the file size of a TXT file. So what you need to do, you need to import this module on board first, file start, before we start. Okay, I'm going to create a path to my desktop. My scalar path is equal to, and this is my desktop path. It's not your desktop path. Your desktop path will be different, so you will have to use your own desktop path for this, because if you simply type this in, you'll get an error. Desktop, and then we're going to change into that directory, CHDIR, change directory to scalar path. I'm going to create a subroutine here called file size. Okay, so this is the subroutine. And we're going to assign it, let's say, create a scalar variable, my file name. So I've got a file on my desktop called html.txt. So that's a file on my desktop, and okay, we're going to do conditional here. So if I'm going to use e, meaning exists, file name. So if that file name exists on my desktop, I'm going to do something. First of all, we're going to create a scalar variable called my size file, and we're going to assign it to stat and then the file name. And then size. So this will get the size of the file. Then we're going to print off the result to the user, which is file size is. And then that's going to be size file, and then simply bytes, and a new line character there. Or else, if that's not the case, we've got the else catch rule here. We're just going to tell the user that the file doesn't exist. Print file doesn't exist. Okay, so we're using this module here, stat, to get the file size. Now all we have to do, it's called a subroutine, it's called file size. Save it, and let's run the program. Okay, so the file size of this file is 555795 bytes. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below and give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.